Prakash and I work with Saki Waters. Saki Waters is South Asia Consortium for Interdisciplinary Water Resource Studies. We work in 6 countries in South Asia, that is India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan and Bhutan. And we have been working on the issues of capacity building, research, education and advocacy on the issues of water resources management in South Asia. And we are trying to see how urbanization is creating insecurity in peri-urban water areas, and also how climate change is going to aggravate these problems, and then how are people adapting to these particular changes in the rural communities, especially the marginalized and the women who are at the receiving end of this particular process. There are 2 major challenges of this particular project. One is because it's an action research project and we are closely working with the communities in 4 research locations. I think in this project we have tried to overcome that through an increased dialogue process from all stakeholders, especially the communities which has been affected by the peri-urbanization process. Another challenge of this project is to engage policy makers on a sustainable basis. So we have actually been sustaining the process of communication with policy makers and bringing them together on a periodic basis. And I think over a period of 3 years, we have seen a drastic change in which communities' responses come from the policy makers, and immediate line departments have actually been very, very favorable for the communities that we have been working into. The main impact of this project is 2. One, that we have brought in peri-urbanization as a major process in the planning of urban areas, and this is one of the major component of urban planning, and we have brought this to the notice of the policy makers. The second very good impact is that urbanization has actually disregarded environmental resources in all the 4 research locations that we have been working. So we have very strongly put forward the environmental planning agenda in the urban planning process, and that is a challenge that has to come or it will take time to overcome, but at least it is being noticed by the policymakers.